Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use your Darb application in a better way. This is my Darb application. So first, when you open the application, you get this map like image. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can see the entire map of the Abu Dhabi. Now first we'll go here and we can check the traffic signal from here. We can check the bus stops. We can check the parking, cycle stands, and these are two options which we can change the map. This is the option we have, and this is the satellite mode. So you can see the satellite mode. This is Madina Zayed. You can close it. Now we have other options. You have to click here. Now first you can check you can have the information regarding the taxis. You can pay your parking from here. You can see. Information regarding the traffics and everything. Bus alerts. You can report any incidents. You can get the information about the international airport, parking and everything. Flight numbers, departures, everything you'll get. This is marine service, and most importantly, which we use this app for, the bus services. So first of all, in the bus services, if you want to search your bus number and what is the route of that bus number, you need to just search over here like A1. You will get the bus info. Just click over here. If you want to see the route of this bus A1, just click on the map. So you can see from where are the bus stops and where it goes, starting point and the end point you will get of this bus. So like this you can search any bus number. (005) if you want to see. This is the bus stops, and you can see in the map the end point and starting point. So if you want to see from your location, if you want to go, just click over here. You will get all the bus stops from your location. Just select the bus stop and see departures. So you'll come to know your bus stop, how many buses are there and what time they will come. And there is one option, you can recharge your bus card also from here. You need to register. You can recharge directly from here. You can use this app in both Android and iOS devices. You can have all the information. Here you can log in and You can register also for this app. From this plus button you can see the toll gates in Abu Dhabi, carpooling service, road service, petrol, recharge, ticket machines, where are they available. So this is very important. You can see your bus card recharge machines like this, where it is available from your location. These are the shortcuts we have. So guys, this is how you can use this app, and this will ease your journey. You can get all the information regarding the Abu Dhabi transportation. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.